VirtualBox error, how to solve this error. Not in a hypervisor partition HVP 0. How to resolve this error. This is very simple to do it. Simply shut down your laptop or computer and go to BIOS. I will also shut down my computer and I will take you to the BIOS menu. I have shut down my laptop and I am going to the opening BIOS of my laptop. Okay, and in BIOS, in HP laptop, you have to press F10 by entering BIOS to enter BIOS, and in Dell or any other laptop, it will be F2. So as you can see, we are in main menu, security and system configuration. Now scroll down. Now go to security and then system configuration. And system configuration, you will see lots of options here. Now what we have to do is simply come here in the virtualization, click OK, and if it will be disabled, so you have to enable it. After that, just restart your laptop and it will gone, that error will be gone. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.